Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a time lock safe works step by step. First, an authorized person sets the lock time or opening delay on the safe by using a keypad, timer, or control dial. In this way, the safe is programmed to stay locked for a specific period before it can be opened. Next, the safe is locked properly by closing the door and engaging the bolts. As soon as this happens, the timer begins counting down and the time lock system becomes active. After that, the time lock mechanism blocks the opening function. In other words, even if someone has the correct key or code, the safe still cannot be opened before the preset time has expired. Meanwhile, the safe remains in a secure waiting period. During this countdown stage, the internal clock or delay system keeps running while the door stays sealed and protected. If someone tries to open the safe early, the access attempt is denied. Therefore, the handle, key, or lock system remains blocked until the approved time is reached. Then, once the timer reaches 0, the time lock releases the blocking mechanism. At this point, the safe is no longer restricted by time, and authorized access becomes possible. Afterward, the authorized user enters the code, turns the key, or operates the handle to unlock the safe. Since the waiting period has ended, the lock system now allows normal opening. Finally, the bolts retract and the safe door opens, giving access to the cash, documents, or other valuables stored inside. As a result, the time lock safe provides both strong protection and controlled access. So, in simple words, a time lock safe works by setting a delay, locking the safe, blocking access during the countdown, and only allowing authorized opening after the preset time has fully passed. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.